Edo Deputy Governor, wife don receive Ogbonge Couple Award. Catholic Men Organization of Nigeria, Archdiocese of Benin, don give Ogbonge Couple Award to Edo State Deputy Governor, Right Honourable Comrade Philip Shaibu and him wife Marian Shaibu for their Ogbonge work to God and humanity. This one happened on Sunday for St. Patrick's Catholic Church, Ugbowo for Benin City. Catholic Archdiocese of Benin City, His Grace Most Reverend Dr. Augustine Akubweze, come present the award to Permanent Secretary Edo State Sports Commission, Sabina Chikere, when represent Right Honourable Comrade Philip Shaibu and his wife Marian Shaibu. Very Reverend Father Augustine Ege, when deliver the message, come here and say sometimes God allows us pass through some kind of situations to help us become better people.
God allows us to pass through some experiences in order to correct and guide us. The first reading of today, we are told about the transformation of the people of Israel. Before they were exiled to Babylon, the Israelites thought that they were the best people in the world, that they were the people that knew God. Other nations called Gentiles or pagans were very, very ignorant of Yahweh. For that reason, the people of Israel had no how to curtail relations with other people. They had to limit their interactions with them. For example, no friendships, no intermarriages. Social relationships were totally restricted. Because according to Deuteronomy chapter 7, verse 1 to 8, these Gentiles were seen as idol worshippers. But slowly, their life on exile, their close relationships with these Gentiles in Babylon made them change their prejudices. They saw that the Gentiles were good persons, generous. They could maintain good family life, had a deep sense of the good life, moral life. The first reading of today shows that radical change in their mentality. We hear Prophet Isaiah saying, "Thus says the Lord, I'm going to gather all nations and tongues, and priests and Levites shall no longer be restricted to the lineage of Aaron. They can also come from pagan territories." And if you read 1 Peter chapter 2, verse 9, through our Lord Jesus Christ, we now become a chosen race, a royal priesthood, people set apart for the Lord. Each of us, we stand or fall by our own mode of life here on earth. The very sad thought, very sad thing about it is that nobody and nothing else can change the just judgment of God when that moment arrives for each one of us. Nobody can change it. According to Father O'Sullivan, he says, we are dealing with God's mercy while alive. We will forgive any sin and any number of sins if we truly repent and resolve to correct our faults. To do this is the only one guarantee that even God Himself can give us a successful judgment. The whole of our eternity, the already life after death, depends on my choice now. The second reading has advised us to lift our drooping hands and strengthen our weak knees and make straight paths for our feet. That is, we should not allow our difficulties and trials of life to divert us from our Christian duties or path. We must persevere to the end. My dear brothers and sisters, the world is our heart. May God give us the grace to respond to His words and be with Him at the last day.
Sabina Chikere, when talk to Tori people, say the award go ginger Deputy Governor and his wife to do more based on their commitment to continue to help the people and church.
Like the award said, he was in recognition of exemplary couple. They have really done well. They have really set examples to young boys and girls coming up. His contribution has been great. That's why the church has deemed it fit to recognize them and giving them this award. Unfortunately, they are not here to receive the award, so I'm here to receive the award on their behalf. They've been of great exemplary service to mankind, to the youth especially, and to everybody. And then the church gave them this award. I think it's of great achievement, what they have really achieved and what they have been able to stand for in the church. They have been of great assistance to the church and to the people, and I just pray that they continue to be what they are and not come down from where they are now.
This Ogbonge award, they come after St. Paul's Catholic Church honor them for how them take the spread the gospel and consider help humanity. Omo Aluke Ajakaye, TMC TV News.